You've launched your Shopify store. Everything's ready. Your products, your theme, your checkout. But no sales, no traffic, nothing. Let's fix that. This video is for one goal: getting your first sale as soon as possible. No theory, no just be patient advice. This is tactical, actionable, and focused only on what works for beginners with limited time, money, and experience. Don't expect miracles, but do expect steps that, if executed correctly, will get results. Let's start. 1. Make sure the store is actually ready. Before you worrying about traffic, fix your foundation. Most new Shopify stores are not conversion ready. Start with these 5 checks. 1.1. One product, one focus. Selling 20 random products from AliExpress doesn't work anymore. Focus on 1 to 3 winning products max, preferably 1. 1.2. Clean product page. Use high quality images. Show the product in use. Avoid manufacturer descriptions. Write short, benefit focus copy. 1.3. Clear pricing. No fake discounts or was $99 now $12 tricks unless they're real. Shoppers today don't fall for that. 1.4. Trust signals. Add a contact page, refund policy, and shipping info. Include 1 or 2 customer reviews. Even if they're from early testers or friends, they help. 1.5. Fast checkout. Test your checkout. No pop-ups, no distractions, no bugs. Enable Shopify payments in PayPal at a minimum. Get these 5 things right first. Don't drive traffic to a broken site. 2. Use organic short-term traffic sources. You don't have a budget for ads? Fine, use time instead of money. 2.1. TikTok organic. TikTok is the top free traffic channel right now. Make 3 to 5 short videos per day featuring your product. Use trending audio and hashtags. Post consistently. Don't overthink it. Shoot with your phone. Show the product in action, unboxing, before, after, reactions. POVs. Use a brand account. Link your Shopify product page in the bio after your first few videos. 2.2. Instagram Reels. Recycle the TikToks into Reels. Same idea, same strategy. You can also try stories with polls and Q&A to drive engagement. 2.3. Reddit. Find relevant subreddits. Do not spam. Instead, answer real questions. Use your product in a comment or post naturally. Message users who are looking for solutions. A single quote says slow but works. 2.4. Facebook groups. Join 5 to 10 groups in your niche. Contribute value. Then slowly mention your product only when it fits. 2.5. Comment marketing. Comment on viral posts, TikToks, YouTube videos in your niche. Stay early and relevant. Curiosity drives clicks. This method takes effort but can drive your first 100 visitors fast for free. 3. Paid ads. Smart budget testing. If you have $50, $100 to spend, use it wisely. Don't launch broad campaigns. 3.1. TikTok Spark ads or boosted posts. Boost a TikTok that got good organic reach. Start with $10. Day for 3 days. Target age, gender, and interest narrowly. Don't go global unless you can ship worldwide fast. 3.2 Meta ads. Instagram plus Facebook closing parenthesis. Use a simple conversion campaign with 1 ad set in 1 to 2 creatives. Set a $5, $10 daily budget. Target only your core audience. Example: women 25 to 34 interested in skincare or pet owners in the US. 3.3. Focus on 1 product, 1 angle. Don single quotes. Test 5 products. Test 1 product with 1 offer. Show the problem, solution, and product in action. Short videos work better than image ads. 3.4. Use urgency. But honestly, if you're running a sale, make it real. Use a countdown or say limited stock, only if that's true. Don't lie. 3.5. Install Pixel Plus Analytics. Track everything. Shopify makes this easy. Use Google Analytics or built-in reports to measure traffic, CTR, and add dash-to-dash carts. If you get 100 visitors and no one adds to cart, your offer or product page needs fixing. Don't blame ads. 4. Leverage influencer microdeals. If you don't want to run ads, use someone else's audience. For point 1, find micro-influencers 1K 10K followers. Smaller influencers are cheaper, often free, and have higher engagement. Use Instagram, TikTok, or even Twitter, X. Look for active posting 3+ times week, 5 to 10% engagement rate, audience aligned with your product. For point 2, offer free product plus commission. Message them with a simple offer. Hey, I love your content. I run a small brand and think our product would fit your audience. Would you like a free sample plus 15% per sale through your link? Some will say yes, some will ask for payment, negotiate or move on. For point 3, use Shopify collabs or manual codes. Create discount codes and affiliate links. Track results, thank and repost their content. For point 4, UGC equals bonus. Ask them to send you the video to reuse in your ads or TikToks. This gives you social proof and ad content. Even 1 to 2 micro-influencers can bring traffic and sales quickly. 5. Nail the offer. Product is 50%, offer is the other 50%. 5.1. Don't sell a product, sell a result. No one cares about a skin cream, they want clearer skin. No one wants a phone stand, they want hands-free convenience. 5.2. ADD value stacks. What else can you include? Free shipping, bonus PDF, limited edition color, free gift for first 10 customers. Make the deal look irresistible. 5.3. Use urgency plus scarcity, limited time, low stock, only 5 left. But only if true, fake urgency hurts trust. 5.4. Price smart. If your product is $30, $50, that's the sweet spot for impulse buys. If it's above $100, you'll need stronger proof and trust signals. 5.5. Don't forget mobile. Most buyers are on phones. Check if your store, checkout, and product page work flawlessly on mobile. An amazing offer with a clean mobile funnel equals first sale. 6. Retarget immediately. Most people won't buy the first time. Retargeting brings them back. 6.1. Use meta retargeting ads. If you are running meta ads, build a retargeting audience. Website visitors last 7 days. Add to carts, video viewers. Run a $5 day campaign targeting them. Use urgency-based creatives. Still thinking about it? Here's 10% off. 6.2. Use email POPUPS. Add a simple pop-up. Get 10% off your first order, or enter to win a free product. Capture emails. Then send 3 quick emails. Welcome plus discount, product benefits, final reminder, use Shopify email or Klaviyo. 6.3. Abandoned cart recovery. Enable abandoned cart emails in Shopify. Customize them. Keep them short. Include image, benefit, and reason to come back. Every recovered cart equals free money. 7. Track, iterate, repeat. Your first sale is just a start. Track everything. 7.1. Know your numbers, visitors, add to cart rate, checkout rate, conversion rate, industry average, 1 to 2%. If you're below that, fix your product page or offer. 7.2. Change one thing at a time. Don't change 5 things and guess what worked. Test one change, image, headline, price, etc. 7.3. Build on what works. If a TikTok blows up, make more in that style. If a product sells, scale it. Add bundles or upsells. 7.4. Avoid shiny object syndrome. Don't jump to a new product after 2 days. Give one angle a real shot. 7.5. Keep it lean until you get 5 to 10 sales. Don't hire, overbuild, or overcomplicate. Simple store. Strong product, clear traffic. That's it. The final verdict. Getting your first sale on Shopify doesn't just happen on its own. It requires execution. There are no magic tricks, no secret Shopify hack. It's just product plus offer plus traffic plus trust. Don't spend 6 weeks tweaking your logo. Don't spend $500 on courses. Pick one channel, get traffic, test offers, and move fast. Your first sale will come when you stop waiting and start doing. Now go execute. If you watched my video up until now, thank you. I intend to make more Shopify-related videos, since I got a good response on my previous ones. If there's anything else you'd like me to talk about, please let me know in the comment section, as I always check. I upload every Monday and Thursday, inshallah, so stay in tune for new content. Thank you once again, and I hope you have a great day. Take care and bye everyone.